How to update TikTok. First, open your App Store, search for TikTok, and then click Update. And you can now open its updated version. You can also choose to clean the TikTok app by going to your phone settings, select General, and in your iPhone storage, scroll down to find TikTok. Then proceed to offload the app. This will free up storage that is used by the app, but will keep the documents and data. This is for smoother usage of the updated TikTok app. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.